सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a fashion banner design using Adobe Photoshop. So here is my file and I change the size into 820 into 312 and then I press create button. I make a fashion web banner design. So here is my size of a banner size. Today I want to create a fashion banner design, so that's why I import an image. So I download images from internet. So here I want to put this image here. So here my image, I just transform it, right? So here is my design. I go to lasso tool, I select polygon lasso tool, then I make a selection, create a new layer and fill a red color in it. So I double click on foreground color and change the color into red and then press Ctrl backspace for fill red color here, right? So here is my design. Then I want to write some text here. I want to make a weekend sale and change the font into MS and press Ctrl T for free transform to scale the text here, right? And I change this color into this font and press Ctrl T for free transformation and it is the size and place here, right? And change the color into gray color. Fine. This is a special promotion sale offer, so I write down some special promo here. Okay, I just write special promo. This is the weekend sale, right? And then what I just want to make a rectangle and create a new layer and fill same red color here, right? Then press Ctrl for deselect, then go to transform, okay, edit, free transformation, and just right click on it and I want to skew this one. So here is skew, right? Press enter and press Ctrl T for free transformation and I just want to transform here, I mean last E, and go to text tool and click here and I just write and I drag this here and increase the size. Fine. And change the color into white color. Fine. Then I copy this one, I mean the rectangle one here, right? I want to write starts from something. I want to copy this, right? And I want to write something here. Fine, I write starts from October, right? Then I want to make a logo. This is my logo fashion.com. Press Ctrl T and decrease the size, right, and place here. Fine. So here is my banner design for a fashion for a fashion sale. So if you guys like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thank you, thanks for watching.